Let's solve this question. This question is basically on more concepts. These more questions. So the question 6, if samples of aluminum have a mass of 6.3 grams, calculate the numbers of mole of aluminum present. That's the first question. The second question says the numbers of atoms of aluminum in the sample is what? So let's look at the parameters given to us. We are given the mass of what? Of aluminum, the mass of aluminum, the samples of the aluminum. So the mass. The first thing, whenever you wanted to solve any questions, if you don't in chemistry, or if you don't in physics, first list out the parameters. So now we are given the mass. The mass is what? 6.3 grams. Then and we are given the molar mass of aluminum. The molar mass of aluminum is what? Is 27. So the first question 6, we should calculate the numbers of what? Of mole of aluminum present. So to calculate the numbers of mole of the aluminum present, we are using the formula which is mass, which says mole is equal to what? Mass over molar mass. So now mass over molar mass, our mole is equal to what? Mass over what? Molar mass. Now to calculate the mole, we are given the mass which is what? Is 6.3 and what? The molar mass which is what? 27. So 6.3 divided by 27 is what? 6.3 divided by 27. So it's equal to what? 6.3 divided by 27 is 0.3. Is 0.23 mole. That's the first question. So the question says, question 6, the numbers of atoms of aluminum present. The numbers of atoms of aluminum in the sample. So now to calculate the numbers of atoms of the aluminum of the aluminum in the sample, we have to use what? We have to use the second formula, which is mole is equal to what? Numbers of atoms all over 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. The second question, the question formula is what? It's equal to numbers of atoms all over 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So, and in this case, we have to find the what? The amount of atoms, and 6.02 times 10 over 23 is what? Is constant, and it's called what? Avogadro's what? Constant. Are we on the same page? So in this case, and our mole, we already know our mole. Our mole is what? Is 0.23. So now our mole is equal to what? Is 0.23. Our mole was gotten from the what? From the first what? Questions. The first question says we calculate the number of mole, and we got our moles earlier as what? 0.23. So now our mole will be equal to 0.23 will be equal to what? Let's assume our what? Our numbers of atoms is what? Is S. Since we are looking for it is unknown, then which over what? Over 6.02 times 10 is what? 23. So by cross multiply, our mole, our x will be what? 0. We what? With the x, our x is equal to what? 0.23 times what? 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. So our numbers of atoms of aluminum in the sample will be 0.23 times 6. Will be what? 1.38 times 10 raised power 23. So this is the mass of atom. This is the amount of atoms of aluminium present in the sample. Thanks for watching.